If you thought colourful eyeshadow was a little too risky for weddings, Kriti Sanon just proved you wrong. Hi guys, I'm Ritu and you're watching me on Be Beautiful. Wedding season is still in full swing and celebrities are serving some serious looks which you can replicate for the next wedding that you attend. If you haven't seen the makeup Kriti Sanon did for her sister Sangeet, it was the perfect blend of color and soft glowy skin, and it was surprisingly easy to pull off. So let me show you how to recreate this, and this is your sign to add color to your wedding makeup. For colourful looks, always start with your eyes first, because trust me, cleaning glitter fallout on top of foundation is not easy. Prep your eye with some concealer or eye primer. I'm going to add a mid-tone brown shade to my crease. You can also use your bronzer. Then I'm just going to tap in a purple eyeshadow all over my lid. We are going to blend this until it meets this crease shade right here. If purple eyeshadow sounds scary, don't worry, this technique makes it very wearable. Add a very thin black eyeliner to add some definition to the eye. Adding the same purple eyeshadow to the lower lash line. Adding black kajal to the lash line. Also going to highlight the inner corner a bit. Kriti also wore green lenses because green makes purple pop, but actually purple pops against all eye shades, so don't worry. Now we're going to curl our lashes and add some mascara. You can also use fake lashes, but I'm going to skip those. The base is pretty minimal. Kriti has amazing skin and she's let it shine by keeping the base super glowy. This is one of the looks where less is really more. So we're going to add some illuminating primer only on the high points of our face, like the cheekbone, the bridge of the nose, a bit on the nose, bit on the chin. I'm also going to color correct any hyperpigmentation that I have. This is going to keep our skin looking fresh under all the wedding lighting. I'm going to apply a very thin layer of my foundation. You can totally skip this step if you have amazing skin like Kriti. Adding concealer to the areas where I need it. They've used a very subtle light pink apricot shade on her face to keep the skin looking very fresh. This blush really ties the whole look together. The lips have been left fairly muted to let the eyes have their moment. So I'm just going to line my lips with the light pink brown lip liner. You can even use the same blush on your lips to tie the whole look together. This is the moment to go in with your favorite MLBB lipstick. And that's it, an easy yet bold makeup look which can be done in under 20 minutes to enjoy all the wedding festivities. Of course, Kriti gets that. So this wedding season neutralizer are officially cancelled. Let me know which look would you want me to try next, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Be Beautiful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.